Hey you guys, what's up? Guess what I'm looking at? A broken tree branch. Wanna know why? It came from there. Like, holy shit, man. Alright, we had probably one of the worst snowstorms ever since I've been alive in my 19-20ish years. I don't know, okay, we've been 24 hours without power, which means no fucking heat. Literally no fucking heat. What was I gonna say? And since we don't have heat, we're freezing our fucking asses off. Right? Exactly. Well, it's simple enough to say is, well, it's not gonna be it's probably gonna be a couple of days before we get our power back. And holy shit. Literally, okay, Sean and I were up last night. I was up because of the fucking cracking and creaking and all that shit. Mainly because I'm paranoid about trees breaking. Well, I kept hearing it last night. And so I could barely sleep unless Sean was next to me, right? So we were up until like 4-ish, 4:30ish maybe. I don't know what time it was when we finally went to bed. About that time. And what ended up happening was that all these cracking and whatnot were trees pretty much breaking, and it's fucking horrible. I mean, we had Hurricane Irene hit us. We lost power for about, like, I think pretty much almost 12 hours or something, but now it's been over 24 hours with no power, no heat, thanks to this fucking snowstorm. But since I have no internet and shit, I can't upload this right away. But it is October 30th, probably about 2:30 in the afternoon. And I'll probably be making videos periodically. So you may see a couple of different videos, you may see just one lengthy video. I don't know, but I'll talk to you guys later. And you'll probably be seeing pictures at the end of this too, I'm not sure. But I'll see you guys later. Bye. Don't mind my room, it's a mess. Isn't that right, John?
What?
Just say yes.
What the hell? Blah,
What the fuck was that? Yeah, he's a goof. Don't mind him.
Oh, you blob!
Yeah, I am.
You goof!
Yeah, I'm taking a goof. I'm taking a goof. What the fuck?
And you put it on camera.
Yeah, I know.
You recorded that one.
Shut the fuck up. I know how to edit. I can edit it out.
Oh, that's not cool. Make me look like the goof and you did. Nah. You gotta keep that one. You gotta keep that one because that was hilarious. Hilarious! Yay, Bert! Oh, damn it, get here. Look.
Excuse you.
Yep, excuse me.
Do you see what I have to deal with?
Oh, blah. I love you too.
No, you don't. It's too fucking cold. It's too fucking cold.
Life without power. It blows! Respect the electricity! Respect it!
Right? It's too cold. Right?
Mm-hmm. No power in the middle of winter is like camping on a mountain!
It's true.
Sort of. We do have gas. Unfortunately, that does not include heat.
Yeah, exactly. Oh well.
Where's my eye?
I'm sorry. Okay, so it's probably like what? Almost 5 o'clock in the morning? No, don't check your phone. There's no point. It's probably about 5:30ish in the morning.
I want to check anyway.
Okay, well, he's gonna check that. But that's besides the point. You know, okay, our power came back. Our power came back.
We had power for maybe 20 minutes total.
We had, yeah, probably about 20 minutes total we had power. And, oh, we had power for about 20 minutes total. And,
It's almost 6.
Oh, it's almost 6? Damn.
5:47.
Alright, well, it's 5:47 at the time of this, but We had power for about 20 minutes. Thank fucking God, right? Wrong, because our power went right back out 20 minutes later. Motherfuckers. That pissed me off.
Went out, come back on. Went out, it didn't come back.
Yeah, it went out, came back on, and then went out and didn't come back on. And we're like, what the fuck? We're still freaking cold as hell. We were up at Jasmine's house.
I'm cold at the moment.
Yeah, I'm not really cold at the moment, but yeah.
No,
We were up at Jasmine's apartment for a little bit, and it was warm up there due to the oven. And we were up there for like probably what 3 hours, and then
3 almost 4 hours.
3 almost 4 hours. And she started falling asleep, so we decided to, leave, come back down here, freeze our asses off.
You
And
see?
what?
I'll push it back around this way and fold that down, and it stays in place. You do this, it doesn't stay in place.
Yeah, no. Sorry, he's playing with my book light. Don't mind him. But anyway,
the spring is broken.
yeah, because I kind of broke it one day. Anyway, so here you go.
Look. Oh, get back here.
Here. Take the fucking cigarette.
Okay.
Anyway, so, show you back at the candle. So,
I stared at a candle.
so they have something to stare at instead of pitch darkness? I mean, you might be able to see me, but I highly doubt that. Sean, you can not really see him at all. Okay, there's his face. But yeah, it's freaking cold, and we're tired, and we're just, I've got a headache because of the cold. Ow!
Sorry, I was trying to illuminate your face so the camera has something else to look at besides flames.
He's trying to illuminate my face. I don't even know if you can see it.
Not really, I don't have my glasses on, cause I can't tell.
I don't know. But anyway,
I can see something moving in it, but that's right.
I don't know. I can't tell.
Sometimes you can't tell.
I don't know.
Maybe.
But anyway.
Oh wait, I wasn't even pointing at you.
But anyway,
oh dude, we could so do shadow figures.
But I know we could.
Shadow puppet.
Shadow puppets.
Ooh.
Oh, sadly, you can't even see the fuck. Oh, you can, but I guarantee you, due to the video quality, me uploading this, you won't be able to see shit.
I know, right?
Up here. But we fucking. I realized something, right? I realized that obviously, because okay, Sean and I are both smokers, and so is my mom. Because we ran out of normal cigarettes, we have to roll them. Well, I found some tubes. There's only like probably about 5 or so in there. Made those. Those got smoked through except for one. And I knew that in my room somewhere by my desk, my computer desk, there was a couple other tubes somewhere because I had dropped the box and I forgot to pick them up.
Which is cool.
Finding a couple of tubes was like finding fucking gold. And I'm not kidding.
Yeah, we found 2 that were perfectly preserved.
Yeah, we found 2 that were pretty much perfectly preserved because they were underneath a DVD sitting on top of something and they just never moved. But hopefully by the time we do wake up, we will have power. Because I was able to get online, let people know I was alive, post a couple of pictures of the fallen branches, which you guys saw earlier today, and we'll probably still be at the end of this video, depending on how long it is. But, it's just fucking horrible. I cannot stand this shit. Over 36, 40-something fucking hours with no fucking power. Yeah, pretty much 48 hours with no fucking power, no heat, barely any food. Because, you know, our fridges can't stay cold forever, you know. But we're gonna finish this cigarette up, and we're gonna go to sleep. This is about 5 minutes and 30 seconds long, this clip. So, what?
See?
No, I can't see.
Clipped it in that way.
Oh shit. And so I'm gonna end this part
with a hallelujah and fuck the power company.
Right? With the fuck the power company, because you stole my power, you sons of bitches. I seriously hate my fucking power company right now.
I know, right?
I seriously I mean, you could hear the fucking trucks outside, right outside the apartments, but do we have power right now? No. Not at all. Motherfuckers. But, well, I'll either see you guys in the...
expect summer slacking for extra pay.
Summer slack, yeah. But I'll either see you guys in the morning, or this may be the end. We'll probably see you again. But, until then, what the fuck are you doing?
It won't stay put now.
Yeah, because you fucked with it.
Water.
But,
Uh-oh.
hopefully we'll have power tomorrow when we wake up. Or really today. But whatever. Later, something, whatever. But, yeah. I'm tired of this fucking cold.
Broken hallelujah.
Sean, say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
You see the shit I deal with. But I love him anyway. I love you.
I love you too. Bye, peeps.
Hey guys. So it is 4 o'clock in the morning. Obviously you can tell I have power. Again. I didn't make a video for quite a while because I've had a headache all day. I've been still friggin' freezing all day. I finally, started thawing out some odd hours later after the power came back on. And I've just been with Sean all day. We've been screwing around on the computer, watching shows, trying to catch up on our shows, checking a couple of games and whatnot, and then that was pretty much it. And pretty much reading too. But right now he's back at home. Figured I'd just finish this up really quick and say 3 days with no power and no heat, barely any food, barely any cigarettes, barely anything, barely any sanity, pretty much, sucks. And it just, I hope that this does not happen again, because if it does, I will go insane. But, enjoy some pictures, I guess. I don't know. See you guys later.